children, welcome back to English class. Do you remember in the last class we studied a poem? What was the name of the poem? Yeah, My Dear Mama. In the poem we saw a little boy and his mother. So did you by heart the first 4 lines of the poem? Okay, good children. So today we are going to study the balance of our poem. So listen. Listen. Open your eyes, Mama. Day will soon begin. Open your eyes, Mama. I want to look in. So the child, the boy, asked his mother to open her eyes. Why? Because the day will soon begin. The mama is sleeping. So the boy is asking his mother to open her eyes. I want to look in. The boy want to look into the mother's eye. Okay. Now listen. Yesterday, dear mama, out of your eyes peeped 2 little boys, just my size. So what happened? Yesterday. Yesterday means day before today. Yesterday, dear mama, out of your eyes peeped 2 little boys, just my size. What happened? Yesterday, the boy saw in his mother's eyes. What did he see? He saw 2 little boys peep. The boys were peeping. What do you mean by that? Peep? Peep means, look here. This is what we meant by peep. Peep. Took a quick look. Took a quick look. Look, what happened yesterday? Yesterday, dear mama, out of your eyes peeped 2 little boys, just my size. What happened yesterday? Yesterday, dear mama, from your eyes I saw 2 boys. In your eyes I saw 2 boys. What was the boys doing? They were peep. They were peeping from out of your eyes. From the mother's eye, 2 boys peep from the mother's eyes. Yesterday, dear mama, out of your eyes peeped 2 little boys. I saw yesterday, the child is saying, yesterday I saw 2 little boys peep from your eyes, just my size. So what did he say? He said the boys were not too small and they were not so big. They were just my size, same as my size. What happened? So the boy, what is the boy saying? Yesterday, dear mama, out of your eyes peeped 2 little boys, just my size. Yesterday, when I look into your eyes, അമ്മയുടെ കണ്ണിലേക്ക് നോക്കിയപ്പോൾ what did he see? He saw 2 little boys, just my size. He saw 2 little boys. What were the boys doing? Out of your eyes peep 2 little boys. The 2 little boys are peep. Peep from mother's eyes. So the boy saw 2 little boys, just my size. So the boys are of same size of the child. So what happened yesterday? Yesterday, dear mama, out of your eyes peep 2 little boys. 2 little boys were peep from your eyes. When? Yesterday. Just my size. Okay. So once again read with me. Open your eyes, Mama. Day will soon begin. Open your eyes, Mama. I want to look in. Yesterday. Yesterday means day before today. Innale. Yesterday, dear Mama, out of your eyes peep two little boys, just my size. Once again. Yesterday. Read with me. Yesterday. Are you reading with me? Read. Yesterday. Yesterday, dear Mama. Yesterday, dear Mama, out of your eyes, out of your eyes, peep two little boys, peep two little boys, just my size, just my size. Then what is the meaning of peep? Peep means took a quick look. പെട്ടെന്ന് ഇങ്ങനെ നോക്കുക. Peep. What is the spelling of peep? P-E-E-P. Peep. What is the meaning of peep? Took a quick look. Once again. Peep. What is the spelling of peep? P-E-E-P. Peep. Took a quick look. Okay. Now write in your notebook new words. Yesterday. What is the meaning of yesterday? Day before today. Yesterday means day before today. Peep. Took a quick look. Peep. Took a quick look. Yesterday. What is the meaning of yesterday? Day before today. What is the spelling of yesterday? Y-E-S-T-E-R-D-A-Y. Yesterday. Y-E-S. Read with me. Y-E-S-T-E-R-D-A-Y. Yesterday. Day before today. You have to write the new words in your notebook. Write and study the spelling of new words. The next one, peep. What is the spelling of peep? P-E-E-P-E-D. Peep. Took a quick look. Peeped. P-E-E-P-E-D. Peeped. Took a quick look. Okay, so write and study the new words in your textbook. So we studied the next 4 lines of the poem. Read the poem well. Read the first 8 lines and by heart the first 4 lines only. Okay, we will meet in the next class. Thank you.